With the holiday season now over, many of you are walking away with a new Apple device, like a new Apple Watch or a new set of AirPods. While they're undoubtedly some of Apple's best products ever, they still have their own unique shortcomings. Here's why AirPods are the perfect match for the Apple Watch. What really makes the Apple Watch great is that you have complete control over your music or phone calls right on your wrist. But since the Apple Watch can't play music through its own speakers, you're gonna need a pair of wireless earphones, and look no further than Apple's own AirPods. They get class-leading battery life and fit into Apple's ecosystem like a glove by automatically pairing to every Apple device that's tied to your Apple ID. And you just can't get that with any other earphones. They're incredibly comfortable and stay snug in most ears. My favorite feature is that you can listen to just one AirPod while the other one charges in the charging case, giving days of non-stop battery life. They're rated incredibly well, and they even achieved a 98% satisfaction rate amongst buyers. However, there are a couple of things missing on the AirPods, things that the Apple Watch seriously helps out. First of all, the only way to adjust the volume on the AirPods is to either grab your phone or use its double tap to Hey Siri feature and ask Siri to adjust the volume. However, if you've got an Apple Watch on your wrist, simply spin the crown to adjust the volume. This alone makes a huge difference for usability. If you need to check the battery life of your AirPods, you can do so on your watch by swiping up on the home screen to bring up the control center and tapping on the battery icon. If you're having connection issues using AirPlay on the Apple Watch, you can simply connect the AirPods using Bluetooth by going into the Bluetooth settings on the watch and holding the pairing button on the back of the AirPods. The Apple Watch is great for anyone who constantly misses notifications or phone calls while working, and if you keep your AirPods in your ears, you can instantly answer and take calls right on your Apple Watch. When the call is over, tap the watch to end the call and go right back to your music listening. You can even answer and hang up calls using just the AirPods with the double tap feature. To know who's calling, you can use the iOS feature called Announce Calls, which will make Siri announce who is calling you, straight into your AirPods or other Bluetooth devices. Before I show you how to enable it, let's talk about Opsgenie by Atlassian. When your website or service goes down, it's more than frustrating. Incidents like this are inevitable, and it all comes down to how fast your company can respond. Opsgenie gives teams the power to respond quickly by notifying the right people in various ways, like SMS, push notification, or even an automated voice call. And if they don't respond, notifications go up the chain of command to make sure the issue gets resolved ASAP. It also tracks all activity and provides useful insights to improve future incident response. Sign up for a free 5-member company account by going to opsgenie.com, and your next incident won't stand a chance. To enable the Announce Calls feature, head to Settings, Phone, Announce Calls, and switch it to either headphones only or headphones and car. For those into running, the Apple Watch Series 3 or 4 are perfect since you can get one with LTE, allowing you to completely leave your iPhone behind and go on a run. While on the run, you'll be getting all of your notifications, phone calls, and you can listen to music. One downside for the AirPods is that they aren't water resistant like every Apple Watch since Series 2 is, so while you can take your watch on a swim, you're gonna have to leave your AirPods behind. During Apple's 2018 September event, Apple seemingly hinted at the possibility of water-resistant AirPods coming in the future. We're not sure exactly how water-resistant they'll be and if you'll actually be able to swim with them, but it's an exciting update nonetheless. Along with that, they're also expected to get the Hey Siri feature instead of having to double tap on an AirPod or race to speak on the Apple Watch with watchOS 5. Overall, AirPods are the best companion for the Apple Watch. They give you more control than you would have had if you had only one of the devices, and that's why we recommend the combo to everyone who already has either device. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.